Hello, this is our school React Final Team project, a Swagger and OpenAPI UI. It lets you edit, validate, and test OpenAPI specs with a built-in REST client. I will go through all the features one by one in the order of the task. Let's start with feature 1, the header. Right now I'm not logged in, so in the top right corner I see two buttons, signing in and signing up. There is a link to the About page here in the header, and the same About link is also in the footer on the bottom. Yeah, and you can see when I scroll, the header stays on top and sticks with a small animation. Okay, if I press sign in, it opens the sign in form. Yep, and it's a second feature. Feature 2 is authentication with email and password. First, let me show the validation. I will type a wrong email and a very short password, and we can see validation. And something like this. And we see these messages, validation messages. The form shows errors, the email is not valid, and the password is too short. The rules are at least 8 characters, one letter, one digit, and one special character. Okay, now I will create a real account. Let me switch to Signal. And I write something like this, login, email, this, and this password. After successful sign up, I am redirected to the main page, and now look at the header. We see other buttons. Buttons changed. I see history and sign up button. And one more thing, if I'm already logged in and try to open the sign in page, it sends me back to the main page. You can see, redirect. Next feature, it's feature 3, is the editor. It supports JSON and YAML. It detects the format automatically. It can convert between them, and it validates the schema. I will post an OpenAPI spec now, and you will see this. Okay, post. And the application detected the format as JSON. There are no errors, and on the right, the viewer filled in automatically with all the endpoints. Let me break the schema on purpose to show the validation. We can delete some character, and we can see this schema not validation. Yep, right now, okay. Now I switch the format from JSON to YAML. The content is converted automatically. Yep. Because I'm logged in and the schema is valid, I can save it, and I can press save button. And we can see toast with this message. The schema is stored, and it will load again automatically the next time when I log in. The layout is also responsive. When the screen is narrow, the split view changes from side by side to top and bottom. I can show you like this and like this. Yeah, it's very adaptive. Okay, next feature, feature 4, is the viewer and the REST client. On the right, the endpoints are grouped. He, byte X, post, and users, and each method has its own color. Get, post, put, delete, and other. Let me open the endpoint get post by ID. Here I see the method. Yeah, this is method. The path and a table with all the parameters, their name, location, type, and if they are required, and other. Below I can see the request body, schema with an example, and the responses, all status codes, like 204 with the schema and example. Now the best part, try it out. Let me set the ID to 1 and press execute. Okay, the request runs through a server proxy, so there are not coarse problems and we get a real response. Let me also try query parameters. Yeah, and we also generate a curl command and copy it with one click. And we again see this toast. Okay, next feature, feature 5, is a history and analytics. It's generated on the server, and let me open history. The requests are sorted by time. The newest one is on top. That is the request I just sent. If I open a row, I see the analytics, the method, the endpoint, and other statistics, like the status code, the duration, the time, the request size, the response size, and the rows, if any. And when they are not requests yet, this page shows a friendly message with a link back to the editor. Okay, come to main. Feature 6 is the about page, and it's public. Anyone can open it. And it has information about the RSS school course with links, and a list team with names, roles, and links to GitHub. And the design matches the rest of the application. Okay, and the last feature, general requirements, feature 7. First, it's languages. In the header, I can switch between English and Russian language, and the whole interface changes. Yeah, and how it says this, as you saw, the header is sticky with an animation when I scroll. The rows are always shown in friendly way for validation messages and small toasts. What about private routes are protected? Let me sign in out. The header goes back to sign in and sign up. We can see these two buttons. Now, if I try to open the history page directly, I'm not allowed. I get an unauthorized page. Yeah, something like this. Go to sign. Okay, that is the full application, feature by feature. The project is deployed on Render, and the links to the live app and the repository are in the pull request description. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for your watching.